Hello students, today we are going to talk about stages of plant development. If we look around, we can see different types of plants. Some of these are flowering and some are non-flowering. Plants and animals produce their young ones of their own kinds. This process is called reproduction. The process by which living beings produce their own kinds is called reproduction. Let's know about reproduction by seeds. The flowering plants bear flowers. The flowers develop into fruits and fruits bear seeds. The seeds develop into new plants. Have you ever seen germinating seeds? The seeds germinate when they get favorable conditions. The seeds of plants sprout and grow into seedlings. The seedlings grow into new plants. The process in which a seed develops into a seedling is called germination or sprouting. It requires air, water and sunlight for germination. Now, let's know about vegetative propagation. Development of new plants from root, stem or leaf is called vegetative propagation. Plants like potato, ginger and onion grow from their underground stems. Some plants reproduce from their roots such as sweet potato, yam, dahlia, etc. Some plants reproduce from their leaves like bryophyllum. Cutting of stem is also done for growing new plants. Rose and sugarcane can be grown from stem cuttings. These parts of stems have small buds on nodes that grow into new plants. Well, that is all for stages of plant development. Thank you.